Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. For that you will have to launch Instagram, and after that you need to tap on the plus icon or on your story tab in the top. Over here you are going to view your story and you are going to see the people that you have mentioned over here. Now in order to remove it, if you tap on these three dots in the bottom right hand corner, and if you see the options, then unfortunately you will not be able to find any of the options that would allow you to remove your mentions from your Instagram story after posting. You can add mentions on top of it, but you cannot remove them. So in this situation what you can do is you can simply delete your story in which you have mentioned any person, and after that you can post the same story without mentioning that person. The second method that you can use is you can simply contact to the Instagram customer support team, and you can tell them that you want to remove your mention from your Instagram story after posting. For that you will have to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you just have to scroll down and then you need to tap on help in the bottom. Then you need to tap on report a problem, and then you need to tap on go back and shake phone. Once done, you will have to press include and continue, and here in this report a problem section you will have to describe the problem that you are facing, which in our case is removing the mention on Instagram story after posting. Once you are done, you will have to press the send button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after that you just have to wait for a few hours until you get any response from Instagram customer support team, or until your problem is fixed. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.